2024 was a year of surprises, breakthroughs, and hard lessons. If you're like most people, you entered the year with grand financial goals, maybe even dreams of being that guy with the stacks of cash. Well, some of us crushed it, and others not so much. But the real question is, where do you stand? Stick with me, because what we're about to break down could determine whether 2025 is the year you finally reach financial freedom, or crash and burn. Let's dive in. Number 1. What went right? Let's start with the wins. A lot of people finally took control of their finances. You may have seen that the stock market saw a solid rebound after a tough start in 2023. Many of you jumped on those opportunities, investing in companies that soared, or capitalizing on the booming sectors like AI and renewable energy. And let's be real, some of you did get that early real estate deal that's already giving you a solid return. You saw that little spark and you took action. It's that decisive momentum that can make you wealthy. But here's the thing, it's easy to get complacent when things are going well. That brings us to the next part. Number 2. What went wrong? Now, let's get uncomfortable. Not everything this year went smoothly. If you've been watching the news at all, you saw inflation still lingering around like that one relative who never leaves your house. Prices for everyday goods went up. A lot of you probably felt the sting of rising housing costs or those unpredictable interest rates that made it harder to secure loans or refinance. Even more frustrating, the market volatility. 1 minute you're up 20%, the next you're staring at red. The truth is, many people didn't prepare for the volatility, and that's exactly why some financial dreams were crushed this year. You might be thinking, that won't be me in 2025, but here's the thing, don't get comfortable yet. Number 3. Lessons and the future. Now, here's the burning question, what are you going to do with all of this? You see, every mistake is an opportunity to grow, and every success is a reason to keep pushing. The key takeaway for 2024: diversification. Whether it's your investments, your income sources, or even your savings, spread it out. Build that buffer zone, because in 2025, things could shift once again. And if you're just relying on one thing, whether it's your 9-to-5 job or a single investment, you're risking it all. Trust me, you don't want to end 2025 with the same regrets you had this year. But here's the good news, you can still make the changes you need now to start building your future wealth. Start learning the skills of high-income individuals. Start building multiple streams of income. The wealthy don't wait until it's too late. They take action, and so can you. So here's the deal, the choices you make right now will set the stage for the rest of your life. If 2024 was full of missteps, that's okay, you're still in the game. But if you had wins this year, don't get lazy. Keep learning, stay agile, and position yourself for what's next. Don't let 2025 catch you off guard. Will you rise or fall? The choice is in your hands, but time's ticking. So, what's your next move? Make sure to hit that subscribe button for more insights and strategies that'll help you make 2025 your best financial year yet. See you at the top.